Be the light at the end of the tunnel to supersize and grow your business. How can you be that light, and why is it imperative that you are that light for your business? This is an idiom that it's actually a metaphor that became popular in the 1880s. We've talked about it before, especially since the pandemic. We talked about it in August of 2021. We talked about it in, I think, February of 2020, even before the pandemic started, because this idiom is a metaphor for hope. And John F. Kennedy, President John F. Kennedy, the internet says he made it popular in the mid-1960s, but since he died in 1963, I find it impossible that he made it popular in the mid-1960s unless 1 and 2 are the beginning, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are the middle, and 8 and 9 are the end of the 60s. I don't know how the internet divides things up, but he was talking about it in reference to the conflict in Vietnam, which was, of course, the war in Vietnam that we were in for many, many years, and it caused a lot of protests and a lot of unrest here in the United States as well as around the world. So it is a sign of hope and optimism and vision and the end of struggle. What does this have to do with growing and building and supersize our business? And what does this have to do with our focus on confidence for the month of August to coincide with the BU 365-day challenge? Our annual challenge is here to do one thing every day that improves us. We're focusing on confidence this month. Well, to me, in times of challenge and conflict, it's critical that you as the leader of your organization are that light, are that beacon of hope, are that vision, and are providing the vision, the guiding principles, the direction for the people that you serve, as well as the people in your family, the people that you serve, meaning your customers, the people that are a part of your organization and growing that organization. Somebody has to set the course for that growth and for creating the business that you want to create in this world. We also need to remember to do what's right for our business, do what's right for you, no matter what's going on in the world. In challenging times, there's a lot of things that happen in the world and that go on in the world that are just plain wrong or are wrong for us. If we look at inflation isn't really good for many of our businesses. Political unrest and all of the craziness that's going on, at least in the United States right now, isn't good for many of our businesses. If we choose to participate in it, we can always choose not to participate in the size, I don't even know how to say it, making things political that shouldn't be political at all. We can choose not to participate in those things. I think we're seeing examples all around us of businesses that take a stand and choose to participate in some of the things that are going on in the world and in America right now that actually backfire on them because they come to realize that their customer base does not agree with them and they don't want them taking a stand on those things that are political, and they lose customers and they are impacted by different governmental and tax structures and changes and things that can negatively impact their business. So I guess I say mind your own business. That's my philosophy, is I mind my own business and I do what's right for my business, for my family, for my life, and the things that feel right to me and that are in alignment with my goals and values, even if other people are doing things wrong and doing things that are unethical, immoral, or illegal, that are now considered legal because of a certain political slant. So do the right thing no matter what, do what's right for your business no matter what, and set the example for the rest of the world, as well as being that vision and that guiding hope and optimism for your organization, no matter what's going on around you. We need to do this as individuals as well as for our businesses in order to have confidence and supersize and grow them. Love to know your take on this. I know we've talked about light at the end of the tunnel before, especially during COVID and all the craziness of that. Again, times of unrest, I think we have to really go back and revisit our goals and our values and especially our core values and what's important to us, and make sure that we're prioritizing them and living them as we go through our life. Share your thoughts and feelings and experience with light at the end of the tunnel, and I will be with you tomorrow with another interesting confidence related idiom. Have an awesome day. Bye.